Greetings, dear students. I'd like to extend a hearty congratulations to the entire team of Conceptual to have started the Conceptual Anesthesia. I believe it is launching on 15th of August, and what an apt day to launch Conceptual Anesthesia. Anesthesia typically has meant freedom from pain, and 15th August, of course, we all know we celebrate it as the Indian Independence Day. So I'm very excited and I'm very pleased to introduce my wife, Professor Uma Hariharan, who is a faculty of anesthesia and critical care at Dr. RML Hospital. And more importantly, she is also an ATLS instructor. As orthopedic surgeons, we all handle trauma patients, and ATLS is something which we all will benefit from. I hope the conceptual team does think about extending a little bit of access to, let's say, the anesthesia topics pertaining orthopedic surgeons and other general surgical community. I'd like to introduce Uma, who will take over further.
Greetings, dear friends and students. It is a great honor to be associated with Conceptual, and Conceptual Anesthesia has been conceptualized extremely well. So I congratulate you on joining this particular Conceptual Anesthesia, and I welcome you on board, and you are going to benefit a lot from it. You will be at par with any anesthesia trainee or any resident in the entire world. So take full advantage of all the lectures and the knowledge which is being imparted to you, and be a very good clinician at the end of the day. Thank you and best wishes.